Today's sponsor is Clean My Mac X. More on that later. So what's happening YouTube? I'm actually wasn't gonna make this video just because I didn't know that I was able to do it, but I actually broke this avatar, the exact same one. I broke it, completely shattered, cage are gone. I think the GPS was also broken. So yeah, it's flying now. Let's go. What's happening YouTube? Today we're gonna look at how to fix your avatar if it got run over by a car. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. I'll put some pieces as well that I've found. It is third party that I've used, and I mean it worked really well. Some of them are also used, so it's like replacement parts from a used avatar. But I was able to fix this with those parts, and now it's flying. Now this is what it looks like after getting run over by a car. DJI has an official video as well on how to dismantle this. I'm just gonna show you what I did so that I can fix it. But basically that's what helped me. But first, let's hear from our sponsor. Problem with slow Macs? Clean My Mac X. Make your slow Mac faster again like the day you got it. With the click of a button, you can get rid of your junk, malware, and free up space so that your Mac can go faster again. With this, you can get rid of viruses, adware, worm, and ransomware. Basically anything you need so that you can make your Mac fast again. So get Clean My Mac trial today. Link in the description below. So I was able to print this V mount, like the camera mount on there. This was broken too. I think it was like tear in half right there. And printed it. The screws line up and everything else lined up. I just need to find out how to use these rubber things, how to stick it in the holes there, so that I'll be able to mount this later on. But we're gonna dismantle this whole thing. As you can see, all the screws are ripped off the full-on head cage here. I got a new one now right there. I was planning to print this, but I think because of from what it is, I think it's better off because there's a mounting holes there. If you print this, then that'll be plastic. So I mean, you can put the mounting piece, I guess, later on, but I think this is more durable coming from DJI. My GPS actually is broken as well, as you could see here. Not just the headpiece, but when you attach it or when you connect it to the Integra headset, it actually says that GPS is not working. So I got a pre-used one from eBay, fairly cheap. It's like $20, and we'll be able to mount that on here. But yeah, everything else will be taken off. Like this whole thing will be taken off from the bottom, and then as you could see there, I've already taken off the sensors down there, and hopefully everything works after that. Let's go ahead and do that. So there you go. I was able to take off the prop guards. It's just 4 screws that attaches to the body. So again, this is a pre-used GPS, and basically we're gonna replace ours that's broken right there with by opening this little kind of door, and we're gonna pop this flexi cable off, and then we can fish it down the hole there. It's pretty small. We'll see if we can do it. And there it is. We're able to take it off. As you could see, this whole thing just popped off, and this is the one you see above the Avata, and then the back of it as well came off. So again, we came in the same hole right there with the flex cable, and then we're gonna attach it to that. Once you attach the flex cable, make sure that it is on the little clip there, as you could see. That will protect it from getting pulled. So while we're up here as well, we're gonna take off the 4 screws up there, and I've taken off the 2 in the bottom here to attach the cage. I think this will make it easier for us before installing the prop guards. So let's just do that for now. Attach the cage and set up the camera module and all that stuff before the prop guards comes on. So it took a lot of fighting through this, but I was able to put it on. I was able to just use a little wire just to hook on the head part, and I pull it through the hole, and that was it. I just used the original ones and it worked. So now we have the cage. So there's 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 up there. And then 2 in the bottom. 1, 2. So now it's just mounting the 2 sensors on the 2 sides, and then putting the cover, and that's it. I really miss flying my FPV. I got the Avata Integra right here in my hands, and I wanted to practice with the motion controller once again, fly out there and going through obstacles and stuff. And I really miss it. So now that I'm finally able to fly it, so I'm really excited that finally it works and it's flying, right? So I'm really excited to use it. So this is my first flight after it's fixed. After fixing it, my test flight, I almost hit my TV. But yeah, it made me so happy that the Avata is finally flying again, and I'm able to go out there and just test it out. So here's a few flights from my backyard. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you uh, fix your DJI Avata if if it's really bad, like how it happened to mine. But overall, it's not bad to fix. I think having an FPV drone makes it easier to fix it, even if it got run over by a car. I think with a couple of tools, you'll be able to do it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to the channel for more FPV. I'm gonna try my best to shoot more FPV drones videos for you guys if you guys are wanting that. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.